So this is an important concept of putting on shakes, is the overlap. It's nice to have this nice and flat here, and here is wide. The next shake will go approximately maybe 9 or 10 inches here, and once it's nailed down to here, you can see that there's no gap in between here. Now here's what can happen is if you don't pay attention to where it touches the roof here, the next shake that's going to overlap here, when you nail it down, you get this gap here. You get a gap there, and as you can see, that's no good. So I like to use 3 different size nails here. This is your standard nail, general purpose nail. If it's not long enough, use a longer one, and if it's too long, you can use a shorter one. The short one, sometimes you got to suck down this leading edge over here. You can use a small one. And for general purpose, you want to be about 1/3 of the way down the shake, near the edge, but not too close to the edge. One here, one there, never in the middle. And if it doesn't penetrate the wood underneath, then you use a longer one. This is actually a shake hammer here, hammering in nails, and it does have a small hatchet, sort of a blade here for miscellaneous sort of trimming of shakes. Another concept to consider is covering up of the cracks. Now let's consider this the edge of the roof, and here we will place 18-inch shakes to have the overhang. This is called the starter row, like this. So we need a shake about the middle of this shake to the middle of this shake, about this wide. So this one here will probably suffice. And then we need a fairly narrow one here. So we'll put this narrow one here. Now we're getting sort of dangerously close there, so maybe I'll shift it over slightly. And then I want to go from here to the middle of this shake. Here, one here could be slightly narrower, like this, and then we need a fairly wide one for here. Now the next row, 9 inches back, and sort of estimate maybe 9 or 10 inches there, so we'll come here, then we need one about this wide here. And this is quite a wide one here, so that's okay. We're going from the middle here to the middle here, and then over here that would be too narrow, so I'll put in one like this, like here. So we're always covering up these cracks here. Water's going to go down and just run right off, and of course the next row will be going on here like this. So here's a shake, a tapered shake. You can see one end, the thin end, and the thick end. The thin end will be going uphill, and the thick end will be pointing downhill. I'll try it in a couple of different places until I find a good fit. I'll get my 2 nails out, and I'll use 2 nails to tighten it up there against the other one a bit. You want a bit of gap in there. If you get them too close together, when they get wet, they'll all expand and you'll get buckling. So leave a bit of a gap, but you can see the downhill end there, and up at the top it's nice and flush, nice and flat there, ready for the next layer to go on. So here's another one, thin end, thick end. Put it on, try it there, it fits pretty good. Get my 2 nails, and just keep covering up that crack of the previous row. Looking for shakes that are about go halfway on each other shake. So I'm going to speed things up here. You can just watch as I build this roof. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give this video a like if you like it. Thanks.